Hey, today I'm going to show y'all how to change your PCV valve. So the part number is 17130-RBB-A01, and you also need a 14 mil crush washer, and the part number for that is what? I forgot. I'll put it in the description. You also need a ratchet wrench with a 17 millimeter socket. You need needle nose pliers, and you need a torque wrench capable of 33 pound-feet of torque. So the first step is look for your PCV valve. So this is the front of the engine. Look for your serpentine belt. Look right above the alternator. It's right here. So take your needle nose pliers, move the clamp out the way, pull back on the hose gently. There's your PCV valve. Take your 17 millimeter socket on a ratchet wrench, put it on, and break it loose. Right. It is now loose. And you just take it out by hand. I'm gonna pause the video. It's kind of hard to do one-handed. Alright, so this is the old PCV valve. I took the old 14 mil crush washer and I'm gonna transfer it over to the new one. I thought I had a new one, but I don't, so I'm just gonna reuse it. And this part's kind of hard to do one-handed, but I'm gonna try it anyways. See that hole? Try to thread it in the new PCV valve in there. Ooh, it's just kind of hard to do in a hot engine. Alright, it's threaded in. Finish doing it by hand. And get your torque wrench. Put your 17 millimeter socket on it. Boom. And as you can see, it's set to 33. So 30 plus 3 is 33. When you hear the click, it's torqued down. Yep, it's torqued down. Put the hose back on. Get your needle nose plier. Compress that. Move it back on. Give it a little tug. Alright, I need to move it in a little further. Alright, there it is. Now that the hose is on, the job's complete. And here's the old PCV valve, and you just throw it away.